What's up, y'all? I'm back with another cooking video. I'm gonna call this video a double whammy because one, it is super easy and simple, and two, it is one of my grandma's recipes, so you can't go wrong. We're starting off with covering the potatoes with 3/4 of water, a cup of sugar and brown sugar. I use cane sugar instead of white sugar. And then we're gonna add in like 6 knobs of butter. Next, we're adding in some cinnamon. A lot of recipes like to be cheap with their cinnamon, but I like to be generous. So I would say a tablespoon of that. I added a cap full of vanilla extract. And then, unfortunately, I couldn't find my nutmeg. I would prefer that, but I used sea salt to emphasize the flavors. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with my allspice as a nutmeg alternative. Just a little bit should take it a long way. I usually love agave. That's my new thing that I do with my sweet potatoes, but I use maple syrup instead. You can use this now or after, so you don't even have to stir anything or put a lid on it. Just get it down to a boil until it's work tender. I would say about 30 to 45 minutes. And then once it's work tender or knife tender like how I did, transfer it into your baking pan and taste it. If it needs to be more sweet, add in some agave like how I did, but like I said, I use maple syrup, or you can add in a little bit more sugar, but usually honey, agave, or maple goes a long way. Since Black people have a tradition of baking everything, even if it's unnecessary, I'm going to keep it traditional and I'm going to put it in the oven for at least 15 minutes on 400 degrees. And after that, it is all done. Let me know how you like it in the comments. Super easy, super simple, super yummy. I hope you all enjoyed this video. See y'all on my next one. Bye.